Today's video is inspired by my girl Issa Rae. We are doing an Issa Rae inspired hairstyle. I'm so excited because I've never done an Issa Rae hairstyle at all. So yeah, girl. Super excited. You know, that's my homegirl in my mind. We go way back to Awkward Black Girl days. Did y'all watch Awkward Black Girl? Back in the day when she was supposed to YouTube. Oh my gosh, it's still up. You can go watch it. Awkward Black Girl. It was Awkward Black Girl before there was Insecure, okay? I'm going to use Marley hair in order to get this style going. So, y'all know how I do this. I have how many strips? Marley, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 pieces of Marley hair. I've already tied it off. If anyone needs to learn how to tie it off, then I should probably show them, right? So you're gonna take the hair bow, take it under the bottom, get on each side like this. Bring up both loops. Take one loop, stick it through the other, and pull. I'm going to wrap this around my bun that I have here. And I'm going to pull this around to the front. And you always want to make sure that your hair bow goes to the bottom. Okay? And what I like to do is I like to bobby pin right in the middle where they meet, because it just helps it to stay in place, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this style. The first thing that I want to do, well, I'm gonna combine these because I know that I most likely have way too many, but I just want to make sure that I have enough hair on my head in order to get the style. But I had a heart attack. I didn't think I was recording, y'all. So yeah, what I'm doing is I'm twirling two together. I'm going to wrap these around my bun just to get my style started. Just like that. I just want to make sure that my style is off to a good start. I'm gonna do it again. This time, you know, I don't want to do the comb because then it'll start to stand up. I want to kind of freestyle it, you know, take it diagonal. And just wrap that. I'm going to go over to this side and do two of those. Yeah, you want to keep some balance going all the time. Inside of there. And then I just have to cover the back of my bun because I think Issa Rae inspired look. Not anymore, because I want to take this style in a different direction than that. And I'll still go back and do that one. But this one is going to be something else. Yeah. I'm sorry, I get ideas while I'm doing my hair. And I was just like, because I don't think that Issa has the height. So I'm just like, still trying to think of how I'm going to do it while I'm doing it. Yeah. I think we're going to take this in another direction. So right now I'm pinning the back so that I can continue covering my bun. But I'll figure it out. Figure it out which direction I'm going in right now. I'm gonna go ahead and lay that down. I think we're just gonna settle for a Marley style today. I need to figure out the Issa style. This isn't exactly it, you know? However, I do like it. I could, well, I did say it was inspired, so being inspired doesn't mean copy the exact style. So maybe we could stick with it being Issa Rae inspired hairstyle. Just do our own thing, because we just did our own thing with that. I just thought it would be cool. So, I'm not sure how her hair was on that part. That was rather confusing for me. Okay. Trying to cheat by folding it in half and then rolling. That's what I was trying to do, but I didn't want it to look real raggedy, you know. This is really cute so far. I like it. I do. I like it a lot. You know, I like to just do stuff, you know. We're gonna see what happens, okay? It's still Issa, okay? So I'm just playing with it. I'm gonna see what I can come up with for y'all. You know, I thought about dreading my hair up before. This makes me think about it even more. Like, gosh, they're so pretty. I just know that I would get so bored with them, most likely. My brother has them. They're really long. Wouldn't be able to do my hairstyles and stuff. Maybe don't pull them dreads out by the scalp. I'm lucky I still have hair. So yeah, do the same thing that I did. Pin it to the opposite side. Y'all, I am like, okay, I'm super late for one because I didn't listen to Queen's EP when it came out. So now I'm like stuck on Butterflies and I listen to it like 50 times a day. I didn't listen to it because I knew that I didn't like a lot of the songs. Like the ones that she put out, I loved medicine, but I didn't like Karma and I didn't like Mama's Hands. Sorry, I'm not a mom. I didn't really care for the song. But freaking butterflies. Oh my gosh. She did that. I love that song. I wish she had put that one out. That one is everything. It's just on my mind. I'm sitting here right now and I'm singing it in my mind. It's just crazy. So, this is from the middle. Something we need to do. We need to have some tangles going on in certain areas. So I'm gonna do this, take it through the middle. Did y'all see what I did? Let's take it through the ones that I already had and pinned it in the middle. Hopefully it's not hard to keep up with. So this is what we're working with right now. I'm gonna add a little dimension by not twisting this one with another one. It's just gonna be single. I don't even know if I just bobby pinned. I'm trying to find it so I can pin it. I hope it's pinned. Okay, now what I want to do is start getting my shape together. Because you can make something work if you can get the shape right, you know? That's pretty much what I did last time, but I still changed it this time from the last time. And it still don't look like hers. I tried though, I tried. She has a really good hairstylist. I think I'm a good hairstylist, so you know, I'll be doing this natural thing, honey. And y'all would be so shocked because I don't wear half of these hairstyles. I really don't. I'm so lazy when it comes to doing my hair. Fun facts about me. I am extremely lazy when it comes to my hair. I have my moments where, you know, I'll do something to my hair, but for the most part, I wear a ponytail, I put my hair up in a bun, I wear a lot of buns. That's why I bring you guys a lot of buns, because I actually wear those. But like doing all this Marley hair stuff, I used to do this. This was something that I was good at. It's something that I used to love to wear. But I stopped wearing it because I stopped doing so much to my hair, you know? I think I like this a lot. It's real different. Good hairstyle for like Valentine's Day or something. And you can do it at home on your own. Baby, yeah. Just took that one, put that one in the middle. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Are these hairstyles like really hard to follow when I do these Marley styles? I've never had anyone, you know, really critique me on how well I am. And it's so hard to describe. So with this one, I know I'm not going to be able to describe it. So I just want you to be able to see exactly what I'm doing. My still have to go through and finish shaping it as well as pinning it, okay? Looks like I have top knots. Possible thumbnail. People be like, what is that? Okay. So we're on our last one. What am I gonna do with it? I kind of want to keep it here in the back because I have a lot going on in the front already, and I've kind of organized it a bit, so I'm gonna keep this one in the back. So I still had all my bobby pins from when I did this style the last time, and I've gone through all of them. So what does that tell you? Doing a lot more this time, huh? I'm just feeling my way around because the way that the style is shaped is like this, guys, but it's still flat and kind of goes back, you know, it kind of comes down. Has that classic look to it. You know what I'm going for? It's that real classic look. Mine looks nothing like hers, but mine is still good. And I know y'all probably hate when I do this. I palm the style and I begin to pin, and I do that because it allows me to flatten it out, you know? And we have a lot to flatten out, as you can see, but it looks good, doesn't it? Looks like a prom hairstyle or something. I have some that are sticking up still. This is rather demanding. Gosh, this style is asking a lot of me. So guys, I'm not trying to keep you here for 20 minutes. I'm sure a lot of you have probably X'd out of the video already. So I'll go ahead and describe it to you. What I'm doing is I'm going through and I'm pinning each piece that's sticking out or it doesn't look flattering for our style, but I'm making sure to maintain the shape that we have going on. And I'm doing this until the style is complete. I think I've got it, y'all. I think we're good. I think we did it. I think we did it, y'all. That's really cute. I like it. This is Issa Rae inspired. I'm going to show you guys her style. See, her style is just tough, you know. Me, you know, I do the best that I can. But this is our style.